Well, hello, welcome. My name is Wendy with loveandstampin.com, and I'm so excited that you're here today because I have some stuff to tell you about. So if you're a regular customer of mine, this video is extremely important for you and you absolutely need to listen to it. Stampin' Up! Is changing the way they do online ordering. It's going to be a much better system. It's going to be much more robust and easy and user-friendly. However, there could be a few glitches right in the beginning. If you're watching this video before August 4th, the implementation of this new system is going to happen on August 4th. I would want you to do two things for me. First, log in to your Stampin' Up! Account. Write your password down so that you're sure you have it and your username. Because a lot of people's computers memorize that information, and when it does, and this system changes, it's possible that you'll lose that data. So make sure you know your username and password. Number two, make sure you're still shopping with me. So make sure that my demonstrator information is still showing up at the top of your shopping cart and stuff like that. I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of the amazing promotions that I'm going to be having in August because you accidentally were shopping with somebody else or because they dropped a demonstrator name altogether or something like that. So just verify those couple of things, your password, your username, and then of course, that you're still shopping with me. Okay, so beginning August 4th, you get to purchase from the new August through December mini catalog. It is chock full of amazing, cute stuff. On August 4th, I will have a video up of a catalog stroll and we'll go through the catalog together and I'll show you some of my favorites and I'll show you some cool stuff that you might miss otherwise. The awesome promotions that I have happening there's two. Number one, it's this little thing here. I'm going to be putting these in the mail to my regular customers, but August 4th through the 31st, if you place a $50 order with me, you're going to get all the trimmings embellishments for free. So let's see, I think I have them right here in my embellishment drawer. I sure do. Look at how cute they are. So you'll get a full pack of these for free when you place a $50 order August 4th through August 31st. These will be mailed in September. So please don't place the order and think that you're gonna add it to the order or you're gonna get it immediately. They will be mailed in September. It's just easier for me administratively to mail them all at one time. Make sure that everybody gets one. The other fun thing I have going is I'm working towards a really huge goal with Stampin' Up, something I've never accomplished before. And so in order to achieve this goal, I need a lot of sales before September 30th. So August 4th through the 31st, all the orders that get placed are going to total slowly up to $1,000, right? So every $1,000 in sales I get, I'm going to give away a brand new Stampin' Cut emboss machine. This has not even been released yet from Stampin' Up. It's actually going to be pre-orderable August 4th for demonstrators only, and then customers can purchase it in September. So I won't be able to purchase these for you until September. So just please understand that if you win one, you will get it sometime between September and October. If there's a back order situation, you might have to wait longer, but you'll still receive it. So I have this really cool little sheet I made. I don't know if you can see. I've got little boxes that I'm going to fill in as I get up to 1,000. And when I hit 1,000 in sales, I will do a drawing of those people for a Stampin' Cut emboss machine. So if you really want to raise your stakes in getting one for free, you would place higher orders, right? Because for example, if you place a $300 order, that's going to fill up 3 of my boxes. And then that lessens the chance of other people being in the drawing and winning. So any order will count that gets put in. However, obviously the higher the order is, the larger chance you have of winning. Now, I do want to say this because this is a legal schmeagle thing. You do not have to place an order to win. Technically, you can comment below this video and be entered to win from the drawing. So there's this requirements about doing raffles and giveaways where everybody has to be able to participate, and you can't make it tied to a monetary thing. So I have to allow people to comment to be entered as well. But this is going to be really important. So fill up your spot, fill it up. We'll do a drawing and a giveaway. So what are the other things I need to tell you about? I think that's everything. The big thing is the online ordering system is changing. And then, of course, the 2 promotions that I have going on, and those are through August 31st. And you will be able to order from this beautiful new catalog. I also have my Love and Stampin' monthly club happening. My fall paper party is officially closed when you're watching this, so you can't sign up for it anymore, but you could sign up to get Love and Stampin' monthly, and we are going to be doing fall related projects using a product from the new catalog. So if that's something you're interested in signing up for, you can do that too. All of the entries for this giveaway are for online orders only. Being in my club does not count to get you an entry into this, just so you know. Okay, what else? I think that's everything. I just wanted to do like a quick, hey, how are you? Fill you in on things, tell you what's coming and what not to miss out on and what to watch for. So I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks so much for tuning in with me, and I'll be up to something crafty soon. Bye.